Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe for an easy tortellini bake that makes a great weeknight dinner. This meal is so good that it will taste like you spent hours in the kitchen. Before we get to the recipe, please take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef or ground sausage, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 jar of marinara sauce, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 package of tortellini, and 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Over medium-high heat, brown the ground beef or Italian sausage in an oven-safe skillet with a little olive oil and season with Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add the jar of marinara sauce and the cream cheese and heat over medium heat until the cream cheese has fully melted. While the cream cheese is melting, boil a pot of water and cook and drain the tortellini according to the package directions. Add the cooked tortellini to the sauce and stir to combine. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella over the top of the tortellini and bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes to melt the cheese. Serve the tortellini with your favorite side salad and garlic bread. I hope that you like this recipe for an easy tortellini bake. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.